Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to you. It is that day again of the week, which I love. Today, we're actually going to be going over checking the hydraulic fluid levels. In particular, if you have a machine on rent for more than a couple days, in a week and a month, you want to do your annual, well, not your annual, your daily inspections, I should say. One of them, the important things to check is your hydraulic tank fluid levels. And there's a certain position that is ideal to check this. So here on this particular unit, we're gonna come in and here is your hydraulic tank gauge level, okay? Each machine's gonna be different. Some are on the other side of the machine. This particular one is in this location. Check those out before you jump onto them. And the best way, which I was told to recommend it, double check each machine because it is different. Check your operator's manual to see which position is preferred, but fully retract it. So the arm fully retracted, the main boom down. In this position, like this unit, so that the arm is down, it's scoped all the way in, and that is a proper way to check your hydraulic tank levels. And again, not the same for every machine, so please just make sure you check your operator's manual for each machine and what is preferred, but that is something to keep in mind. If it's all the way up in the air and shooting straight out, your tank's gonna look super low because obviously the fluids are going up all the way and they're into the cylinder filling it. So make sure it's usually lowered and retracted. That's the way to do it. Hope this week's tech tip will help you and your team out. Please feel to like and subscribe. Thank you for all the love and support. And if I can help you out directly, shoot me a DM, email, and love to help you and your team out. Have an amazing rest of your day. Appreciate you all. Take care.